Okay, everybody. This is Bart again. I'd like to bring y'all a quick little video of another little app review. It's time to do another app review. So, the app that I want to show y'all is actually works really pretty good for what I'm using it for, and hopefully you'll find it good too. So, if you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and share the app. What it's there for, to for other BlackBerry users to use and share. So, and the app that I particularly want to review is called it's called pocketsafe. And after you install the app, it it basically serves one purpose, and it's to prevent pocket calls. It allows your proximity sensor to be used to when it's in your pocket. It prevents your phone from accidentally making calls and texts and so forth that you didn't intend to make. So here's the app itself. So there's no at the first screen when you first load the app, when you first install it, it gives you a tutorial on how to use it, and basically just shows you what it's for. Um, Pocket Safe uses the proximity sensor to determine where to lock your screen, when to lock your screen. Those who frequently play games and or type landscape mode should use battery saving mode. Others have two choices. So this is basically, it tells you what the app pretty much does. One, keep battery saving mode turned off, which gives you the most protection, but you will have to put up with occasional pop-ups when you forget to place your fingers on or in front of the proximity sensor. And I'm going to explain that in a minute. I'm going to break this up into 2 or 3 parts, this video, so I could show you what it's talking about. So the the app has a battery saving mode that way that it saves like a half a second instead of it constantly coming on. It, you could change the amount of time that it actually gets turned on and off. So if your phone's not in your pocket for a long time, the Pocket Now app don't come on quite as frequent if it's in battery saving mode as opposed if it be in regular mode. So there's no features in this part. You have to click the down arrow and settings. Settings mode, you have the battery saving mode, and you can set a delay as to when the app, when it kicks on and so forth. Give you extra options as to the settings and stuff. Then they got vibration. Vibrate when Pocket Now kicks on. It's a good feature if you want to see when your phone actually makes a pocket call. Um, It'll vibrate and let you know what's going on. So I have everything set at default settings, and so I'll close my app and go back to my home screen, and I demonstrated for you right here, but I'll do it a little bit better in the next part of the video that I'm going to do. Basically what happens is when you put your finger over the proximity sensor, the app kicks on, or when the phone's in your pocket, the proximity sensor senses that it's close to your pocket and your phone and kicks on, and you can click anywhere and it don't allow pocket calls to take place. So Pocket Safe is protecting your phone from pocket typing. They also have option to disable. If you want to disable Pocket Safe until the next screen unlock, For gaming, click the 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're playing games for some reason and some settings that you have with your game and Pocket Save does pop up for some reason, you could actually can turn it off with these code, and it'll allow it to not pop up. It'll turn it off temporarily. So as my thumb finger gets off the proximity sensor, it comes back to normal, and you can see it automatically pops up. So I'll be back in a moment, a second for you, but might be a few minutes for me. But I'll be back with the second part of the video to demonstrate something else on my passport with this app. So I'll be back shortly. This is Bart again, and like I said, I was going to come back to the second part of the video here. I'm on my trusty Z10. So I have my passport here, as you can tell. So I want to demonstrate the rest of that video with the proximity sensor, with the Pocket Now app, to go ahead and demonstrate it. So what I was getting at is, if your phone is in your pocket and so forth, and you happen to have pocket calls and stuff, what basically happens is your phone is put on the proximity sensor right here, and you can click all you want until you touch the actual buttons right here, and basically you can click anything. Your phone that's in your pocket, will not allow pockets to make a call or a text message or anything for that matter. When the sensor detects that the proximity sensor is blocked for some reason, the app actually kicks on like this. And so this is how it happens. This is how it works. As you can tell, as you move the thing, your finger over it, it kicks on and kicks off. So overall, the app works really good. I haven't had any pocket calls since this actually app. I had gotten this app a few weeks. I've been trying it out. So I want to demonstrate this, how it actually works on the phone with the proximity sensor covering it. So it pops up pretty quick and blocks whatever you touch right here. So really good. So this is the second part of the video I want to show y'all. So I'll be back in a second. So see you in a bit for the third part. Alright everybody, this is Bart again with the third part of the video. So like I said, I was going to come back and do a follow-up on it. And basically the app does what it says. I mean, I use it every day. Cell Ninja, the one who developed the app, he recently updated it like 3 or 4 times. Allowed the app to better performance, battery life improvement. So definitely check it out in the app world. It's 99 cents without the promo code. I'm not sure if he's got one, but definitely check it out. So I've been having that app now for about 3 weeks ish, and definitely prevents pocket calls. So I wanted to demonstrate it to y'all in 3 different parts, because y'all could see it the way I see it. And definitely a great app, and I give it a thumbs up. So definitely check it out in the descriptions. I'm gonna leave a link in the descriptions, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also I'd like to mention something. Please remember, if you're in the app world, that to leave a review. Reviews helps determine whether or not apps get downloaded or not. BlackBerry World don't have an app counter in their app world, so you can't really determine whether or not how many apps an app has been downloaded. It's only for the developer to see. Well, the reviews help determine whether or not somebody downloads the app or not, a good review or a bad review. So always remember to leave a review. I try to leave a review on just about every app that I download. I may not write a review right away. I may wait a week, a month. You know, use the app, try it out. You know, then leave a comment in the review. That way, you could determine how you like the app, and what you say in the reviews goes straight to the developer and allows them to see, something needs to be improved, bug fixes and stuff like that. You know, the review is the best way to know how an app actually is. So I wanted to mention that to y'all, and hopefully y'all remember to to do that. So this is Bart again. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'm signing off.